Welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering IPTV smarters in just a few steps. First, explore the best IPTV provider, 2tv.store, and remember to contact Nancy for support, link in description. Now that you're ready to dive in, let's download IPTV smarters. Head over to your device's app store and search IPTV smarters. Simple, right? Let's get it installed together. With the app installed, it's time to set it up. Open IPTV Smarters, and you'll need to add your IPTV subscription details. Don't worry, this part is quick and easy. After logging in, you'll see a user-friendly dashboard. The layout is intuitive, offering you live TV, movies, series, and even catch-up TV. Let's explore this exciting interface. You'll enjoy the multi-screen option, ideal for watching multiple channels at once. Easily navigate through categories and discover new favorites in mere moments. Now you are ready to revolutionize your viewing experience with IPTV Smarters. Remember, explore 2tv.store, link in description, and contact Nancy for unparalleled support.